But there's a disconnect box. It's a jump 6. Okay. Yeah, try to shut this off. Okay. Alright, buddies. Here's the American Standard. It's a Jump 6. And there's a sound blanket I did installed last year. So I replaced that new motor for last year. Last year we changed the new motor. There's a new refrigerant. And there's the disconnect. Here's the on position. Yep. Yeah, this one's almost hit get frozen. I have to make it more loop. So, okay. Thank you for looking at it. Okay? Everything, let me know. This is Derek HVAC Productions. So,